From fund request and card top-up to reimbursement and salary advance, Bujeti helps you review and process every request in one place. I am Titilayo, Head of Product Marketing at Bujeti. In this video, I'll show you how to efficiently review and process your team income request. Let's get into it.
From the menu bar, click on Request. Here you see all types of requests raised, including reimbursement claims, fund top-up, payments, and more. Please note that only admins and direct managers have the ability to review, approve, or decline any of these requests. Now, to process a request, navigate to each respective tab. For example, if you want to manage reimbursement requests, click on the Reimbursement tab. For fund requests, click on Fund Request, and so on. For this walkthrough, we'll review a fund request. We'll start by clicking on the specific request to open its details. Here, you will find the requester name, the recipient's details, payment information, including the payment source, which you can edit and update to indicate where the payment should be made from, as well as the description and any supporting documents that were attached to the request. Once you review the details, you have several options. You can approve and pay immediately, approve and schedule the payment, or simply approve, allowing the request to move forward to the next person that needs to approve based on your company's approval workflow. If the request does not meet your company policy, or you need additional information or clarification, you can either request more details or decline the request. In any of these cases, the requester will be notified immediately.
That's it. Approved and sorted. No delays, no long email trail. If you haven't already, make sure you invite your team members to Bujeti so you can process every request smoothly. Thank you.